So you're headed to the DR and you're thinking about staying at the new Secrets on the Miches coast. Crystal waters, quiet vibes. I stayed, I ate, I tested the pools, and I found out the truth. Is Secrets Playa Esmeralda worth your money, or just another glossy, new, all-inclusive resort in Dominican Republic? Stay with me. I'm going to give you my honest verdict, and if this resort is worth your money in the end. This is Ari and Gary, and welcome back to Miles and Memories. If you love resort reviews that get straight to the point, tap subscribe and let's go. So first thing to know is that you're going to be landing in Punta Cana, but you won't be staying in Punta Cana. Miches is about an 1.5 to 2 hour drive away from the Punta Cana airport. First steps inside the resort, you'll find a very airy lobby with fresh scents, a relaxed check-in where the staff walks you through the basics and even gives you a welcome drink. If you're part of the preferred club, you'll be ushered to a secondary lobby where you'll complete your check-in process. You have a full-service bar, as well as a mini bar to grab some refreshing snacks while you wait. We booked a junior suite for our stay. Modern room with some soft neutral colors that are very welcoming. The bed runs pretty firm, pillows have some give, blackout curtains do their job, and it's practical for 2 travelers. You have plenty of space to hang out in the room with a small living room area with a desk and coffee table where you can just kind of hang out and do some work if need be. And of course, your room is equipped with a smart TV. The room is designed for couples, so you have a his and hers sink. And it has some cool touches like a vanity light on the mirror so ladies can do their makeup. The toilet area is behind a glass door within its own space. And the same goes for the rainfall shower. And one of my favorites is the in-room tub that opens right up into the room. So if you're traveling here, make sure you're a couple or at least 2 people that enjoy seeing each other naked. You have some other nice touches like the Nespresso coffee machine, the mini bar, and a speaker that plays throughout the entire room. Balcony's pretty standard, has 2 loungers and a coffee table, but a great spot to start the morning. Mid-stay, we had some minor maintenance issues and the team moved us to a swim out junior suite. It was a great chance to compare swim out pros and instant dip right from your terrace. Other than that, the rooms are virtually identical. Secrets Playa Esmeralda has 3 swimming pools for all their guests, an infinity pool, a main relaxation pool, and a private pool for the preferred club members. In addition to these 3 pools, there's 2 outdoor hot tubs and access to the water park at the neighboring Dreams Playa Esmeralda resort. There is no shortage of loungers, so no need to rush and have anyone hold the spot early in the morning. You can show up whenever. I can guarantee you there's going to be space available. The beach here is one of the best beaches that I've ever experienced at a resort. Just like the pool, there's more than enough loungers and day beds. It honestly feels like there's one for every single guest on property. The Barracuda bar is right by the beach and a great spot to grab something refreshing. They keep fresh fruit on deck, so this is the place to go if you ever want a pina colada. But back to this beach because it is the highlight of this resort. The mountain range in the background just makes it feel like you're in a country far, far away. You have the tree line there to really separate yourself from the resort where you can just squat down, grab some shade, and just take in the ocean breeze. The water is crystal clear. The sand is so soft. You hang out here from sunrise to sunset, and you will not be disappointed. In the center of both the Secrets Playa Esmeralda and the Dreams Esmeralda is this courtyard, and this courtyard is home to restaurants for both resorts. Secrets Playa Esmeralda has 11 dining options, including 6 a la carte restaurants, a buffet, a grill, and a cafe. Guests with preferred club access can also use additional dining options at both Secrets and the Dreams Playa Esmeralda. The decor in each one of the dining rooms was immaculate. The presentation of the meals were top-notch. Now, when it comes to flavor, was there anything that really stood out? No, not at this point. It was all pretty similar to any all-inclusive that I've stayed at in the past. Not saying that the food was terrible, just didn't stand out from any of the rest, if I'm being completely honest. But there were so many options, and that was a huge plus because you can get a different cuisine every single day of the week. The main dining room, or the buffet, was pretty good as well. You have a bread station, you had some different cuisine options that you normally don't see at an all-inclusive. There was a seafood station, there was a sushi station, and they were all pretty well put together, better than what I would expect for a buffet. All right, so you stuffed your face and you want to know what's there to do around this place. One of my favorites is the piano bar. You can catch some great live entertainment, saxophone players, piano players, and grab some of the best drinks on property. If you're a whiskey or bourbon person, they make a great smoky old-fashioned. Later at night, you'll also find some more live music entertainment, singers, piano players, keyboard players, samba, dancing. And even in the daytime, you can catch some entertainment out by the pool. They have a dance group that's there, and they sometimes will come out and do a performance for you. Want to do something a little more laid back? You have ping pong tables, you have pool, you have board games that you can relax and just hang out and do. They have life-size chess and checkerboards around the property. You have the spa for some R&R. And if you feel you've been just a little too laid back on your vacation, there's a full-service gym with some great equipment that's available to you. Now, here's some of my feedback and honesty. This is a new resort, and new resorts have growing pains. There are some things that still need to be worked out, like the 2 check-in processes when I'm preferred. Why? And some minor things like the leaky shower faucet. And one of the biggest cons for me is sharing amenities in the restaurant area with the neighboring Dreams Resort. If I'm going to an all-adult, all-inclusive, chances are I'm trying to stay as far away from kids as possible, and this collaborated dining experience just isn't that. And the restaurant menus can use a little work. I went to the Mediterranean restaurant and they had all Brazilian food, but these are things that I see improving in the future. The Secrets Playa Esmeralda is a great resort with some tremendous potential. It's in a beautiful area, it's a beautiful property, and there are just some small tweaks that can be made to make it perfect. Again, this is a brand new resort, so have some grace with it. And I was there in the first 3 weeks of it opening, so keep that in mind as well. I hope you guys found this video informative for making your decision for your resort stay when you head to the Dominican Republic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some more of our videos.